High-performing YouTubers are clear on their intentions for their YouTube channel. If you don't get very clear about what you want your YouTube channel to do for you, then things will start to get chaotic. Clarity on your YouTube channel will help you put an X on the map of where you are heading and help you find the plan that will get you there. In this video, I'm going to share with you some questions that I learned from a book, High Performance Habits, that will help you get clarity on your YouTube journey by answering these questions. These questions are challenging and you will find them hard at times. If it gets a bit intense and you need to take a break, you can, but make sure you come back to these questions and answer them honestly. This will build a strong foundation of self-confidence in your path to success for your YouTube channel. If you want to go more in depth, then get your hands on the book High Performance Habits. It's a goldmine. Questions to ask yourself for high-performing YouTubers. Who am I? What do I want? How do I get it? What do I find meaningful and fulfilling? Clarity is the child of careful thought and mindful experimentation. These are not once-off questions. You need to answer and re-answer these questions. Experiment with them. Keep coming back to them. Think deeply about what you really want. As you learn and grow, this will change, and that's a good thing. You won't know what you don't like until you try it. So put yourself out there and try different things and see what works for you, what you find fulfilling and enjoyable. Now you want to find the balance of Ikigai for your YouTube channel. So ask yourself these questions. What kind of YouTube channel do I want to build? What kind of videos do I want to make? What do I want to make videos about? Do I want to be a solopreneur YouTuber? Or do I want to build a team? How many videos do I want to make a year, month, week? How much money do I want to make? These can be very challenging questions to grapple with if you're just starting out on YouTube. So if you need some guidance, I've created this free Notion template that you can use to get clarity using these questions and more on how you can build a successful YouTube channel. Duplicate this template from the link in the description down below, and then you can get started working on your YouTube master plan. If you want help kickstarting your channel and would like to utilize the knowledge and experience of our team to start your channel off on the right foundations, then you can book a session with us. We will help you craft a plan to fast track your success on YouTube. Find a date and time that works for you by clicking the link below. If you have any questions about these questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you're ready to find your niche on YouTube, you can get our free Notion Niche Finder system in the next video.